Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This program will usher in an unprecedented major challenge. We have invited 9 groups of cats to participate in the competition this time, and we will record on 3 machines simultaneously. Although I am black, I took a photo with President Obama.
After enjoying the group photo of Miss Happy and Obama, let's now connect with the on-site reporters to see what makes the layout of the scene different.
It seems that our on-site staff haven't started work yet, so let's wait until they finish arranging the site.
The scene has been arranged. Before the official competition, let me explain the rules of the game to everyone. 9 groups of cats will successively pass the obstacle paper cup square, and those who successfully pass the paper cup will win. Those who remain in place within the specified time will be eliminated. I declare the game officially open. The competition has ended, and most of the players have successfully passed, but there is still one player who has been eliminated. I decided to try it myself.